the deal. Georgia bound, motherfuckers. We're not bringing Spanky. We're just bringing the crew. Southern Chaos. We're gonna go out here to South Georgia Motorsports Park and see if I can cut this guy off right quick. Oh yeah. Move, motherfucker. No. We're gonna be going up to Georgia, and they're running. I think it's Lights Out 12 this year. I heard there's already some records being broke. We're gonna go up there and watch some radial racing party. We rented a golf cart. We're probably gonna jump it, so stay tuned for that. And we got another golf cart. We got 4 of us. A bunch of alcohol. I got a surprise for you. Hang on. Wham! We got the cheddar. We're gonna bet on these motherfuckers. Try to win some money this weekend betting. Spanky is good to go from the last event. As you can tell, we set another personal best, so we're gonna keep that thing locked and loaded for Troy Jr.'s race. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun, so stay damn tuned. You can go your own way.
So I was just recapping. You only brought 4 muffins for breakfast. I brought 4 baked egg and cheese biscuits for breakfast. The biggest fuck up of the trip so far has already began because I put all of my beer in the trailer that's back there. And this one's empty.
Yeah,
I'm drinking and he's trying.
I only brought 4 muffins, lunch meat for lunch, and snow crab for the boil.
Oh,
that's gonna be tasty.
Okay.
But other than that, I don't have anything for food. I brought a lot of alcohol.
Son of a bitch. There's gotta be something. I put my bottle of Tito's in the cooler too, didn't I?
Yep. See?
Fuck.
Told you not to do that.
Fuck.
Told you not to do that.
All the mixed drinks. Fuck.
Is this red cooler right here?
That's Mike's fucking gay ass meal preps.
He put beer in there, I'm sure.
No, he's got meal preps. I'm gonna check though.
I guarantee he's got a beer in there.
Ooh, there's a White Claw thing right there. I'll take what I can get right now, dude.
Put the White Claw behind. Put them in the fridge.
Oh, I think we might be in luck. Ew, dude. My fucking least favorite fucking thing to have to drink in the last resort. You wanna know what he got?
Twisted Tangos, yes.
That is fucking terrible.
Yeah, that's great.
Now I definitely might throw it tonight.
That's right.
Sure. Well, here's what I do know. That it is better than absolutely nothing. It's so hard to do it this way. So I'm going to have to revise my last statement. When they're ice cold, they're not the shittiest thing in the world.
They're good.
They're not my first choice still, but
Twisted Tango, can't go wrong.
woo!
This is ridiculous. We're in like an hour traffic jam because somebody up here is having a picnic in the middle of I-75 and doesn't want to move, apparently. So here we are going 2.5 miles an hour. If you can read that gauge, we're going 2.5.
You see the 5 and it's below the 5.
And as you can tell, we got a lot of red on the GPS and it's not fun. We got 117 miles to go. That ain't good.
Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button.
Don't forget to hit that bell, baby, and know when
And
we're
that
posting.
car's about to hit
thing.
that semi. What?
4 hours later. Stuck in traffic. Just on some BFE road. Hey, but we're watching where we're supposed to be right now in South Georgia. So at least we're watching racing from the phone. That's gay.
Yeah, this is bullshit.
I got under a quarter tank. We need fuel. I'm starving. We got an hour and 15 minutes till we get to the track. I'm ready to take a hard right turn into this guy's yard and floor it. the road.
Shit.
So that's always a plus. Bunch of raging idiots driving like crazy like this guy. But we got I think about 100 miles. But we need some fuel and food, so that's a priority.
And
Beer.
yeah.
Yeah. Wow! Hi.
Would you get a bacon McFuckme? Oh!
Jesus, dude, there was like a high school basketball game in there with like 37 fucking people. But we made it.
I went in there, there was nobody in line.
Apparently I got one.
I've already eaten mine, dude. You're gonna get in the air vent.
Let's hit the road
So,
with this shit, right? Hell
The
no.
unfortunate part is it's not gas station pizza, in particular at the racetrack. So you guys know, Love's does not have pizza.
No gas station pizza.
So Hardee's it is.
Fucking Joshi.
This.
On our exit 32, boy, Old Coffee Road. Y'all want the pecans? Got Georgia pecans right there. Georgia pecans. How y'all doing? Here the track. That old guy was like, hey, buddy.
Oh, dude.
You just ripped it too?
I think I did. Oh, shit.
Oh, it smells like Famunda. Famunda. Oh my God. I taste that. That's from. How you doing?
Oh, what was that, dude? Was that your ass?
No.
Oh
If
my
that was my
God.
ass, I would have stopped right there. Oh, hey.
Oh,
Welcome.
What?
bring some beers, Uncle Steve.
Me and you got Bud Light, so
Yeah.
I put like 12 in there.
Okay.
Should be enough for a minute. The slowest golf cart, dude. Oh, dude, he almost flipped.
It's got a Silverado, dude. That thing's made from real tornadoes. Hit this portal light. Hit the portal light. Knock them over and shoot it.
Why'd you?
Whoopie dudes. Oh my God! I think I whooped you.
Oh, another one.
Seat, dude.
Oh,
Like and subscribe, bitches.
Oh, shit. Here, come on, need some beers.
Okay, give me this thing.
Okay.
Get your own fucking weird beers. Exactly.
Whose phenomenal idea was to sit on the bottom?
Yours.
Oh my God, dude. Are they all gone? How many I have on the way here? How many did I have?
I don't know, that traffic jam might have really fucked you up.
Oh, dude, I just treated him! Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna flip it. I already see where.
We're going fishing, you guys should come. No, seriously. I feel like that's a joke.
No.
No, we're really going fishing.
We're really going fishing.
Do we need to do it,
What are you
Willie?
fishing for?
We can do it, Willie.
Whatever
We need a
dynamite gets us.
Oh. Dude, it just drops off.
Oh, okay. I didn't.
Fire in the hole!
What a mud bog it, son.
You already there. Look. Whoa, dude.
Now double it up! Give me my motherfucking money first. Now double it up! Give me my money first.
Oh,
Like and subscribe, bitches.